In this video, I'll guide you through how to use a promo code on Trading 212. Whether you're new to the platform or simply looking to make the most out of a special offer, using a promo code can enhance your experience and potentially provide great benefits. Let's dive into how you can easily apply a promo code to your Trading 212 account. First things first, you need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. The app is where all the magic happens, and it's your gateway to managing your investments and taking advantage of promotional offers. Once you have the app open, navigate to the main menu. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon, located at the top left or right corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will give you access to all the key features and settings within the app. Next, you'll want to scroll down through the list of options until you find the section labeled Use Promo Code. The app's layout is designed to be user-friendly, so it shouldn't take long to locate this option. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a new screen where you'll be able to enter your promo code. Now, it's time to enter your promo code. You should have received this code from a promotional email, a special event, or another official source. Make sure to enter the code exactly as it appears, paying attention to any capitalization or special characters, as these could affect the validity of the code. Once you've entered the promo code into the provided field, double-check it to ensure there are no mistakes. After you've confirmed that the promo code is entered correctly, the next step is to apply it to your account. There should be a confirmation button, often labeled as Apply or something similar, for you to tap on. By doing so, you are instructing the app to process the promo code and apply any associated benefits to your account. This might include free stocks, deposit bonuses, or other exciting offers, depending on the specifics of the promotion. And just like that, you've successfully used a promo code on Trading 212. It's really that simple. Leveraging promo codes is a smart way to maximize your investment opportunities and can provide you with advantages that enhance your trading experience. Keep an eye out for new codes and offers, as they can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your trading experience. Happy investing!